Hey there, dreamers! Have you ever thought that freelancing is just for the lucky few, or that it's impossible to make consistent earnings while traveling the world? Think again. In this video, I'll debunk those myths and show you exactly how to start a freelance career and work from anywhere in 2024. And trust me, you won't want to miss tip number 4. It's a game changer. Welcome to Empower Your Journey, where travels meets with financial freedom. Our mantra: travel smart, earn more, live free. If you enjoy this type of content, stick around, show some love with a like, and hit that subscribe button to join our community of empowered adventurers. First, let's talk about why now is the perfect time to start your freelance journey. The freelance economy is booming, with more companies than ever before looking for flexible, remote workers. Technology has made it easier to connect with clients worldwide, and there's a growing demand for skills in various fields, from writing and graphic design to programming and digital marketing. Whether you're looking to escape the cubicle, earn more money, or simply gain the freedom to travel, freelancing can be your ticket to a new lifestyle. So, if you're ready to take the plunge, let's move on to the first step in becoming a successful freelancer. First things first, identify your skills. What most people say? You need to be an expert in everything to succeed as a freelancer. The truth is, you don't need to be a jack of all trades. In fact, trying to do everything can dilute your efforts and make it harder to stand out. So, identify your skills. What are you good at? Writing, graphic design, programming, social media management, or something else? Make a list of your skills and passions. Next, find your niche. Specializing in a specific area can help you stand out in a crowded market. For instance, instead of just being a writer, you could focus on technical writing or travel blogging. This makes you more attractive to clients looking for expertise. By honing in on your strengths and passions, you can offer unique value that sets you apart from the competition. Alright, now that you've identified your skills and niche, let's move on to the next step: building your portfolio. The myth about it: you need to have a ton of paid projects to build a strong portfolio. In reality, you don't need a long list of paid projects to showcase your skills. What's important is the quality of your work, not how much you've been paid for it. A strong portfolio is your ticket to landing clients. Start by creating samples of your work. If you don't have any paid projects yet, consider doing a few free ones to showcase your skills. Use platforms like Behance, Dribbble, or even a personal website to display your portfolio. Your portfolio should highlight your best work and be tailored to the type of freelancing you're pursuing. Include a variety of samples to show your range and versatility. By presenting high-quality examples, even if they're unpaid, you demonstrate your capabilities and attract potential clients who value your expertise. With a solid portfolio in place, it's time to set up your online presence and start finding clients. What most people think is that you only need to focus on one platform to find success as a freelancer. But the truth is, relying on just one platform limits your reach and opportunities. A diverse online presence increases your chances of finding clients and building a reputation. Create profiles on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These platforms are great for finding your first clients and building a reputation. Make sure your profiles are complete and professional with a clear description of your services, experience, and rates. Additionally, leverage social media to market yourself. LinkedIn is especially useful for professional networking. Share your work, engage with potential clients, and join relevant groups and discussions. By establishing a strong and diverse online presence, you maximize your visibility and attract more opportunities. Now that you're visible online, let's talk about how to actually find clients and secure your first gigs. What most people think: clients will come to you once you set up your profile. The truth is, waiting for clients to find you isn't a viable strategy. You need to be proactive in seeking out opportunities and building relationships. Start by applying for jobs on freelancing platforms. Tailor each proposal to the specific job and client, highlighting how your skills and experience make you the perfect fit. Be persistent. Freelancing can be competitive, and it may take time to land your first gig. This is the game changer tip we mentioned at the beginning. Don't just rely on platforms. Network within your industry. Join online communities like Facebook groups, Reddit, or Quora, attend webinars and connect with other freelancers. Referrals and word of mouth can be powerful tools for finding clients. By actively pursuing opportunities and building a network, you significantly increase your chances of securing gigs and growing your freelance career. Chapter 5. Managing your work and time. What most people think. Freelancing means you can work whenever you want without any structure. In reality, while freelancing offers flexibility, it requires excellent time management and discipline to be successful. To manage your work and time effectively, use tools like Trello, Asana, or Notion to keep track of your projects and deadlines. Set a schedule that works for you and stick to it. This structure will help you stay organized and meet your commitments. Delivering high-quality work on time is crucial for building a good reputation. Always communicate clearly with your clients, and don't be afraid to ask for feedback. This will help you improve and grow your freelance business. By effectively managing your time and projects, you can ensure consistent productivity and client satisfaction. Chapter 6. Setting your rates and managing finances. What most people think. Freelancers can just set any rate they want without much thought. The reality is that setting your rates requires careful research and understanding of the market to ensure competitiveness and fair compensation. Yes, setting your rates can be tricky. Research what other freelancers in your niche are charging and price your services competitively. Don't undervalue your work. Remember, your time and skills are valuable. Setting the right rate not only attracts clients, but also reflects the quality of your work. Keep track of your income and expenses meticulously. Use accounting software like QuickBooks or FreshBooks to manage your finances efficiently. Set aside money for taxes, and consider consulting a financial advisor to help you manage your freelance income. Proper financial management is key to sustaining and growing your freelance business. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to starting a freelance career and working from anywhere in 2024. With the rise of remote work and digital platforms, becoming a digital nomad has never been easier. The gig economy is booming, offering endless opportunities to make money online and live a flexible lifestyle. So stop overthinking too much and start your freelance career today. Remember, the key to success is persistence and continuous learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with fellow dreamers, and don't forget to subscribe to Empower Your Journey for more tips on achieving financial freedom through smart travel. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and questions. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, travel smart, earn more, and live free.